Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hi viewers, welcome back to Learn with Zara. In this video, we are gonna learn will with sentences. I will cook. I will cook. I will bath. I will bath. They will run. They will run. We will sing. We will sing. I will clean. I will clean. He will read. He will read. I will write. I will write. You will study. You will study. They will jump. They will jump. I will sleep. I will sleep. She will draw. She will draw. He will play. He will play. We will wait. We will wait. I will eat. I will eat. You will travel. You will travel. She will laugh. She will laugh. I will call. I will call. He will listen. He will listen. They will visit. They will visit. I will jump. I will jump. I will drive. I will drive. She will swim. She will swim. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.